from my research and talking to some experts in the industry, I want to move to Fast API. I want to move with Fast API, which is another backend technology. I want to make it a journey, right? It's a new framework for me to learn, right? It's a new framework for me to learn. So I want to make it a journey, right, for beginners. So all the tutorials that I've watched so far, yes, some of them are good, some of them are good. I wanted to understand how and why each component is put over here and there. So doing my own research and all that. So if I want to start a series where I take a whole project, and then I discuss how I'll build a back-end infrastructure with it using Fast API. It's a journey that I'm going to be sharing. So I'll be showing all the errors, all the mistakes. They are all coming here to learn. There are experts already on this platform that will be coming across these videos. So they will be giving us suggestions or how to improve them. The AI is there to help a lot, but then you can get something from AI, but then experts will now tell you what they actually use on the ground. As we are learning throughout, we look much into the comment sections for them to be giving us feedback, for them to giving us the best way or other alternatives to doing some of the stuff, so that we are not stuck ourselves. Because a lot of beginners, a lot of self-taught programmers like myself get stuck in this frustration a lot. Feedback from this particular channel can help a lot to see how far we are going and how far we are growing together. In this series of videos, we are going to work on a particular project. The project that I have in mind is that I want all my expenses, everything I spend on, to be recorded somewhere for me. I want it to be an app, right? I want it to be an app where if I go and buy something, I'll just quickly record it with the price over there. Then at the end of the month or at the end of the week, I can ask for weekly reports for my expenses, so I can know where my money is going and where my money is coming from, right? All the various accounts that I have, which how much came in, how much left. I want to have a record of all of that in an application. Someone will say just use an Excel for that, but opening an Excel Google Sheet every time will be something for me. I just wanted to have a simple app that I can quickly, on a click, I'll quickly see that. Yeah, technologies may exist, right? But I want to personalize it and customize it, an application for myself. So that's the project that we'll be working on. A project that will allow us to build a front end such that we'll be able to see our daily expenses, and then generate weekly and monthly reports, so you can have an overview of all the expenses we are making ourselves. Okay, and then we are going to start with the backend infrastructure, that's building the API. This is not totally for beginners. I mean, people who are coming to learn how Python is used or not. This is how to now begin to use a new framework and understand the technologies. That's Fast API. I'm going to explain almost everything and why I'm putting this here, what it does behind the scene, what it doesn't do. I'll be sharing them so that that knowledge will be revised by experts that will be coming along this. So I say it's a full journey where I'll be showing the errors and the mistakes that I'll be doing. I'll be sharing the errors and the mistakes that I'll be doing. So our experts will also be sharing their feedback for me to collect a lot of feedback and use them and see which one will really work for me, work for you, and work for everyone. What do you need before joining me in the next day or joining me in the next session? You need to have Git, you need to have your favorite IDE. I personally use VS Code. You need to have Git installed on your platform. You need to have Python, everything Python installed on your platform. Have Postgres, SQL, right? We'll be using that a lot on this platform for our backend, for the database itself. We'll be using that. I'm inviting you to the next session where we'll start the actual journey and have every installation and done. Let's get more chats into that.